to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is the first of the Look Fantastic beauty boxes unboxing of the year. So this is the Look Fantastic beauty box for January of 2022. Everything you need to know about Look Fantastic will be in the description box below for you guys. So without further ado, let's get on to showing you what's inside this month's box. For those of you who don't know what Look Fantastic is, it is a beauty website which has beauty, skincare, hair care. Also it has these beautiful boxes which you can subscribe to every month. You can cancel the subscription as well. It's up to you whether you want to keep them running every month or cancel it at any time. If you have one of these boxes, you know what they are like. So every month you get one of these boxes that come into your door that has one of these booklet things, and it tells you inside of what your product's going to be. Again, I've already opened this, so without trying to tip the products out, those are the products inside. I cannot wait to show you guys. First product inside this month's box is this. So this is the Rose Quarter Youth Defendants Lip Plump, and it is from the Skin Cosmetics from London. It's the lip plumper that goes on your lips. So let's have a look. Do you know what? Let's just rip the box. Show you what the product looks like. Oh, beautiful pink colour. Looks really lovely. So it's got a nice wand. Beautiful. Oh, it smells like all minty. Smells quite nice actually. So that is the first product inside this month's box. The second one is this. So this is the Lavender Tea Body Wash, and this is from Bubble Tea. Now, I have had plenty of products from Bubble Tea before, and I absolutely love them. So let's see if this smells exactly the same. It smells really, really lovely. You're good. Inside this box, which is Havana Dead Sea Water Micellar Conditioner. So this is a conditioner for your hair. Oh, it actually smells quite nice. Oh, it's got a really nice, do you know them nice smelling conditioners you get? It smells just like that, and it is really, really lovely. It actually smells like, not obviously just one of the conditioners, but it smells like one of my lotions that I've got as well, that has that really nice scent to it. So just 3 more products to show you guys. The next one is this one. So this is the Polia, and this is the Internal Snow Moisturizer. So I've actually had a few of these products before, but I've never actually used them. So they've all got them really horrible little silver caps on. Smells not too bad, but like I said, if you have seen my decluttering videos, you guys would know that I did have loads of these as like moisturizers and stuff, and I did actually put them in the giveaway for you guys as well. I don't know if this is actually going to be used, but I will end up trying it, I hope, if I don't forget about it. More products to show you guys. So this is the This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Like I said, I did have these, well, quite a lot of these actually, in my drawers of makeup and skincare drawers as well, and I've never even used them. Do you know what? I'm actually might give this one a go. I don't know if it smells of anything. It smells, I think it's got like the hint of lavender in. Well, then again, it is to help you sleep. So yeah, for fast sleep, natural and wake up refreshed. So do you know what, I might actually give this a go, because I never actually gave the others a go. I just put them in my drawers and then just completely forgot about them and then put them in the giveaway. But I might actually give it a go and see if it actually does work. Then the last product I have, which is the Bloom and Blossom Hands Up Hand Cream. I've got so many hand creams still. Like I said, if you did watch my decluttering video, then you guys will know that I did actually declutter some of my hand creams. I just kept the ones I use the most, which was quite a lot actually. But yeah, I got another one to add to the collection. Like I said, this is the Blossom and Blooms Hands Up Hand Lotion, and see if this actually has a really nice smell to it. Some hand lotions have really lovely smells too. The one I'm in love with at the moment is got to be my Rituals ones. They have really nice smell too. Can't really smell it much. I don't think this one actually has a scent. No, this one, to be honest with you, it's kind of like, do you know the old TCP kind of cream you used to have when you were a kid? It smells like that. I don't know if I'm a bit keen on that, to be honest with you. I don't really like, I'm a bit fussy when it comes to smells and hand creams and stuff, but that, I don't know whether I'm going to keep it or not, but it smells like the TCPs, and yeah, I wasn't a fan of that anyway, and I still am not a fan now. So guys, that is the end of this video. If you have enjoyed these kind of videos, I will be doing more of these kind of Look Fantastic beauty boxes at the end of, or the beginning or middle of every month. It depends on when they get delivered to me. But like I said, everything about Look Fantastic will be in the description box below for you guys, so go ahead and check them out. If you didn't subscribe to Look Fantastic and you are still on the urge of whether to purchase one or not, I highly recommend them, because there's loads of products you get every month. There's probably some brands you've never even heard of. You just get to use of lovely brands, and I absolutely love them so much. Like I said, it's not a fixed contract. You can cancel at any time, whether it suits you. So if you purchase one for 1 month and you're not interested in it, or you don't like the products, or you're not happy with it, then you can cancel it for the next month. You don't actually have to payment for the next month. So without further ado, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell next to it so you're notified every time I upload. I will leave all the links for the Look Fantastic beauty boxes, their website, and everything else you need to know about Look Fantastic in the description box below for you guys. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.